Hello everyone, it's me, Lilia Grigorьевna. Today we are working on page 230. The topic is People and Society. These are new words for this topic. Conscious, свідомий. Favor, те, чому надаєш ти перевагу. Nowadays, в наші дні. Advantage, перевага. Sovereign – незалежний. Novice – новина. Co-founder – співзасновник. Integrate – інтегруватися. Resolve – розв'язувати. Security – безпека. Issue – проблема. Dedicated – відданий. Fundamental – фундаментальний. Transparency – прозорість. Overcome – перемогти. Collapse – ranking – положення в рейтингу. Start-up – початок, старт. You have to learn these words to write them down in your vocabularies. Well, the next point of our lesson is the text. It is situated on page 230 and 231. This text is about Great Britain and Brexit in this country. What to do? You have to read the text and to do exercise number 6 on page 231. The task is to say if the sentences below are true or false. The information is in the text. The next point of our lesson is grammar. Exercise number 1 on page 234. You can see here 3 forms of verbs in English. Grammar, infinitive, gerund, participle. Infinitive, герундій та дієприкметник. Today we are learning everything about gerund. Ви зустрічалися вже з герундієм. Найпопулярніший приклад герундія – swimming – плавання. Playing – swimming – reading. Герундій комбінує в собі ознаки дієслова та іменника. Living – loving – giving. Today we are practicing gerund in exercise number 2 on page 234. You have to read all these sentences and to find here participle, gerund, and noun, and to write the words into these columns. Let's look. We go to the play for the acting. Look. Play, it is a noun. Acting, it is gerund. You have to write them down in these columns. Well, the next task is exercise number 3. You have to open the brackets and use the gerund or the infinitive with or without participle to. Well, okay, do your homework in your notebooks, and then we will check them all. I see it is high time to say goodbye. The lesson is over.